just and rotate command. This is so time taking, and I think this is very long procedure. So for this we will use align command, which will be used to align that sofa set to that wall. So I'm gonna start my work. Okay, first I will activate the command. For command of align, I will use shortcut key AL. And here you can see the align command is shown. So you need to press enter. Okay, here you can see in command line align command active, and select object. Yes, which this object I just want to align here. Okay, so I will click here, then align select object. Okay, then click enter. Then here you can see align specify first source point. So I just need to specify first source point. I will click here, then click here. Okay, here align specify second source point. Okay, then I will click here second point and click here, then press enter. Here you can scale object based on alignment point. No, here we will select no, click on no. Okay, you can see the sofa set is perfectly aligned with this wall. Okay, here you can use move command M, enter to click here and click here. Here you can see the sofa set is perfectly aligned in a corner. Hope will be helpful for this tutorial, will be helpful for you, and we will meet in our next video. Then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you. Goodbye.